Guys, what's up? It's Mercedes Michelle and I'm coming at y'all with another DIY video. So you guys, I wanted to come on camera and show you the process of me making these slippers because I did tell you guys that I was going to do a lot of DIYs for Mariah's birthday. So I was about to leave this one out, but I'll go ahead and show you guys exactly how to make these slippers. If you've seen the thumbnail, you know what I'm talking about. You know what this video is going to be about. So, and I'm so sorry for the shaking. So you guys, I am going to show you how to make these slippers. These are Mariah's birthday slippers and we finished those. Excuse the background, you guys. It's these slippers. Now, I've already made hers off camera, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I make mine. So pretty much same exact materials, products. Mine is just going to be a little bigger. So first thing you need is a Chanel logo. You can go online, print it off. I've showed you guys plenty of times how to find logos, how to print them off, how to cut them out. So I'm not going to do that part in this video. I'm just going to get a basic Chanel logo. All the products I'm using will be listed in the description box down below. So that's enough of me doing all this talking. Let's get right into the video. Alright, you guys, so I have my logo here. And this is just what I'm going to use to create my logo for my shoes. So this is just regular old printout paper with the Chanel logo on it. And then I'm going to take this foam type of paper. I don't know what it's called. It's like a foam that you can get from Walmart. I bought it in a pack. I'm going to then trace my logo onto the foam, and I'm going to do two separate ones for each shoe. So one logo here and then another logo there. You can use a marker, but I would not suggest using a marker, maybe like a white pencil to trace the logo on because it will come off on your hands. So that's what I'm going to do. One right there. What I'm gonna do, because I'm lazy, is to fold this in half and try to cut two at once. Alright guys, so I have one logo done or whatever, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take these pearl beads that I got from Michael's, and I'm gonna be using the, not the largest, but the large size ones that look like that. Okay, so for the most part, this is how it should look. Now, Mariah, she has diamonds on hers. Mine, and the rhinestones I used were this string of rhinestones that I got from Michael's. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to do the rhinestones how I did Mariah's. So, just like how I did hers, basically, I'm laying the E6000 glue down. Like that. And then I'm going to grab the rhinestone and I'm going to put it as close to the edge as possible, and I'm going to keep them spread out. So like mimic the C go in here and then come out there. And you can just start laying your pearls. So this is the finished application for my shoe. So let me cut this. I found these at Burlington, at my local Burlington, for like $7.99. So that was, place it like that and glue it down, still using the E6000 glue, and that is pretty much how you make your own Chanel inspired slippers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up right now. Make sure, if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. What are you doing? But yes, you guys, I will come back and show you once I finish the second one how they look together.